What I can assure you is this. Maniwala kayo, mabuti pag hindi mo. My administration will begin or began and it will end with the public interest foremost. I will be loyal to my oath of office. Huwag na yan mabalitaan mo sila, Trillanes, Marcialo, magdiktador. Huwag kayong, do not be offended. Kung sabihin ninyo na, ikaw ba talagang sobra-sobrang ligaya? Ilan lang ang maging presidente na Pilipino. Are you extremely or inordinately proud to be president? Telling you, I do not need the position at this time.